there were few gaps in terms of I was not able to understand or do audits on what has my team spoken in reality to that. Here in telecrm I will listen to those call recordings and how many dials are actually happening by my team members. So Powerplay is basically a SaaS platform for contractors, interiors, builders, everyone. So where we use telecrm is in terms of managing and tracking our leads, because we have thousands of leads from whom we need to generate demand, understand whether they're interested in our product or push our product into the market. So the level of tracking that we used to do was typically on Excel sheets, right, to understand which lead is in which stage, whether we've called that customer, whether that customer has shown interest, whether a demo has been taken or not, or whether we sent in a quotation or not, right? So that is where we use Excel sheets, but there were few gaps in terms of I was not able to understand or do audits on what has my team spoken in reality. Here in telecrm I will listen to those call recordings and how many dials are actually happening by my team members. I have access to their hourly data. There is a graphical representation in telecrm that gives me, okay, that person started from 10 a.m. in the morning and was working till 7 p.m. And that's hourly distribution of the particular work, so that I can track his hourly efficiency. Right? That is something that other products in the market that I've not seen that provide that kind of visibility.
And as a product, if you want to rate telecrm out of 10?
Right now, in terms of at the cost at which you guys are providing, right? From that perspective, I would give it probably a 8.5 to 9. From a cost perspective, the amount of value that you deliver at the cost that you guys charge, that is commendable.